Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Tonight, I'm going to be showing you how to make stuffed avocado. And avocado is a very versatile fruit because you can make anything with it, from guacamole all the way up to smoothies. But anyway, tonight I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. I'm using 15 pieces of shrimp, and I'm going to pan fry it. I'm also going to be using some red onion, tomato. I'm using green pepper, celery, and I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic to it. So with the tomato, you want to remove the seeds, because if you don't, it's going to make it soggy. So scoop out the seeds and then dice up the tomato. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to season up my shrimp with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You really don't have to go crazy with the seasoning for the shrimp because it's a simple salad. So now I'm adding a little bit of oil into the pan. I'm using vegetable oil, so you can use whatever kind of oil you want. And I'm going to quickly fry the shrimps. It's only going to take about maybe 8 minutes, 4 minutes on each side. That's all. And after that, I'm going to remove them, let them rest, and then I'm going to prepare the salad, the shrimp salad. So they're pretty much ready, and I'm going to remove them now and put them in a plate. So now I'm going to chop up some of the shrimp, but I'm going to leave some of them whole for presentation purposes. So now with the avocado, I'm going to slice them in half, and I'm going to remove the seed and scoop some of the avocado out so that I can use some of the filling into the salad. So now I'm going to remove the seeds and put them to the side and start scooping out some of the avocado. Now I'm going to prepare to make the salad. So I'm going to add in 1 celery stalk diced, 1 small tomato diced. I'm also going to add in 1/4 of a green pepper. And if you want to add more to this salad, you can, and you can change up the ingredients if you prefer. I'm also adding in red onion, and I'm using 1/4 of a red onion diced. With this salad, you can change it up and you can play with it and make it your own. So at this moment, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I'm using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And this salad is going to be really light. I don't want to overload it with too many calories. So, and this is a great salad if you're on a diet. So now I'm going to add in some lime juice. I'm adding only half of a lime to the salad. And the reason why I'm doing that is because avocado tends to oxidize really fast and turn brown, and the lime juice slows it down. Next, I'm going to add in some salt and pepper to give it more flavor. Next, I'm going to add in the shrimp into the salad and mix everything together, and then prepare to stuff the avocado. Okay, so I'm using one of the avocados halves, and the hole is really small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out some of the filling and remove it, and I'm going to add it back into the salad. So now we're going to mash up the avocado with the salad and mix everything together, and then we're going to get ready to stuff it. Now before you start stuffing the avocado, the best way to do this is to cut the bottom of the avocado so that it'll have a flat surface and it won't rock when you're filling up the avocado. Now for the shrimps that I didn't cut up, I'm going to use that to sit right up on top of the avocado salad. And you can either stand it up or you can just lay it on top of it. And it really makes for a very beautiful presentation. Well guys, this is my dinner, and I made some white rice and some tostones to go along with this. But I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and also follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook group called Lalitha's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.